How to fix Cash App sponsor request limit reached. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll discuss about how to fix the Cash App sponsor request limit reached. So getting a sponsored account, sending a sponsored request, upon registering for the Cash App, individuals aged between 13 and 17 must seek parental or guardian sponsorship to unlock the specific features. Prior to being sponsored, certain actions will trigger a request for additional information, such as ordering a cash card, making a payment, or adding funds from a debit card. You can initiate a sponsored request directly from the Family section in your account settings. And here is how you can do it. First of all, you need to tap the profile icon on your Cash App home screen, then select Family and tap I am teen. Follow the prompts to input your name and birth date. Tap Select Sponsor and search for the parent or trust adult. Tap Send in the top right corner. Inviting individuals aged 13 to 17 and sponsoring their accounts. A verified parent or guardian can also invite individuals aged 13 to 17 to create a Cash App account and manage finances together. To invite individuals aged 13 to 17, follow the steps within the app. Tap the profile icon on your Cash App home screen, then select Family, tap Invite a Teen, follow the prompts to share the link through text or email. Once a sponsor sends an invitation, they must complete the setup for the sponsored account from their own Cash App account. To approve a sponsored request, tap on the activity icon on the Cash App home screen, then under Request for Approval, tap View, and then review the terms and conditions and tap Approve. So this was all about how to fix the Cash App sponsor request limit reached. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.